Hey, sir, excuse me, sir. Do you know anything about cars? Could you come here? Hi, do you know anything about cars? Like, I'm trying to start my car and it's not starting. Let me show you. And I don't know. Do you know anything about cars? Can you help me? Like, I'm trying to start it, and it's like it's cranking, it's turning over, but I don't know what to do if I'm doing something. Let me see. It's not starting. Would you mind coming around the other side to take a look? I really don't know. Like, do you feel like it? Let me try it again. You take a look and see. See, I feel like, maybe it's flooded. I don't know. It kind of smells like gas. It's never done this before. I have no idea. I don't know do you think you can help me? Because I'm just kind of like, freaking out. Okay, so just turn the key and like step on the gas pedal, but like, what do you mean? Like pump it like that, or